So I think the repair I did on this water distribution tube plate was a fail. As you can see, the Indian head is coming out of that hole. So I only had a small bit of that JB weld left, and I used it all on this. So I did repair another one a while back off another cylinder head. So as you can see, I'm trying to flatten it there, and you can see the low spots each side. So I'm after putting a wide file in the vise, and I'm taking some of the high spots off it, and the high spots seem to be just below them bolt holes. So I'm running it back and forward there, and then after a while what I'm doing is I'm running it around here to try and get a bit of this shun up. Now a gasket obviously will take up a bit of that, but some of it's very, very, very pitted. So I'm going to keep flattening this till I can start getting a bit of level across the two sides. I was really struggling to get this flat because of this area here. This is a lovely repair actually with that JB belt. That's really nice. I'm actually run out of that stuff since. There's no problem with that as a repair. That's really good. But it's just this area here, I'm not certain that's ever going to, without a lot more flattening, that's going to actually ever seal. So I'll revert it back to the old plate, and I'm just waiting for the JB weld to go off in there. And I just put a bit of India head on it, have that going off while I'm waiting for the JB weld to harden up a bit. So I'll chance fitting this again when things have gone off a bit, and see does it hold water. So I've just managed to get the plate in the back behind the cylinder head there back on. So I'm just going to let it run for a while and see if it will seal. So I'm just going to get a torch. It wasn't an easy job flattening that. I had to use one off a different cylinder head. Sounds like it's running very well now. I still haven't managed to get a proper coil for it. That light should come on now when it's low, tick over as low. It's sitting at 800 revs, so we'll bring her down a bit. Jesus, that's low. 400. Maybe I'll bring it up a small bit. Genie Mac. Let's give it a quick rev to make sure she's charging. Still sitting about 400. Jeez, that's low. That's a low tick over. You know, slightly higher rev on it there. It doesn't sound like it's missing or misfiring much, but I know that coil will heat up, and when it heats up, that engine will turn off like a switch. Just over 500 revs there. The more rev. Bring her up a bit. Now that's under 400, so let's say 400 is the lowest it should have. So what I had to do with that plate was actually put a smear of bodywork fillers on it and re-flatten it. And I had that off 5 to 6 times trying to flatten it every other way, and it would not seal. So now look, the engine isn't up to temperature yet, but so far so good.